This is my 2015 ML350 Bluetec. I've got a coolant leak. I've tracked it down to right there. You can see a little orange liquid around that connector. So you can see where it's leaking down. So that connector you can't buy by itself. You have to buy, as you can see, that pipe coming out there with the T-junction. One goes to the overflow and one goes under there into behind there somewhere. So this is the hose that I've got. It's an OEM. So this hose is gonna replace this one here. This is where my leak is. So I'll take out this piece. So that hose goes over there and up to here. So I'll undo that first. Okay, so to undo this clip, there's a little metal thing here that we just push up and that should just come out. So in there's the O-ring there. That's what's worn out on the one down here. So that's why it's leaking. I'll take that out as well. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is the original tube there, and I put the new one in, which is there, goes all along there down to there. So looks like it's holding on, no problem, no leak. And there's the other piece of it. So what I did though, when I was installing this, I actually split the O-ring, which is that one there. I had to reuse the O-ring from the original tube. What I realized though, instead of buying the whole new tube, I could have just bought an O-ring from this kit, Surviton O-rings kit. I think there's one that's exactly the same size. It's a 9mm by 1.8. So 9mm is the inside diameter, 1.8mm is the thickness of the O-ring itself. Just so that you know, if you need to replace one, just use the O-ring. So the hose with the two connectors with the clip, if you have a look, it's not completely round. So there's this side here has a little straight line. So when you install it back, make sure it's facing the right direction or rotate it the right way.